This is Marina. Now this is Ibaka. What do they have in common? They all have shores and both are in the same local government area, Oron in Akwa Ibom State. These two areas are the major places people buy fish in large quantity, so a lot of buying and selling goes down here.
That's the one major thing.
You wake up one morning to cook, and as usual in the streets, let's say fish is sold for 2,000 naira. This same fish is sold for 1,500 naira in the market, and in either of these stores is being sold for 1,000 naira, and even with a discount if you buy in large quantity. You don't actually know the price because it's not a business for you, but this is what happens in the fish market. Most men and women come to this market to buy fish in large quantities and sell them in baits to make profit. The beach at Marina functions mostly on Sunday mornings, and everywhere is crowded with buyers and sellers of all types of dry fishes you can imagine. Even crayfish and periwinkles are sold here.
They should pass other places, other states. You get me? People where they see, we love this place everywhere.
Okay.
Don't come by and
Go resell.
You get me? You require go almost fish. But that people they really pay too.
If you price anyone now, they'll tell you 30,000.
You go that. You don't see this kind.
If you price anyone now, they'll tell you 30,000. Huh? But for try buy. For try price. If you price this one, come on price it, even if say na one, go try. And then they collect transfer. This one, one of this one on my no cost like this.
No, that comes. This guy come with carrot, bro.
This one how much? This is no be this in this. Which fish be this? Opio. This one is sweet.
Why not you go?
How much?
All okay. All how do you say all like this?
Okay, una they say one like this. One like this, how much? 16,000. You know go buy. 16,000. Huh? Which one be that? More. 16,000. But you go check the cost now. 16,000. Go. Which one better? That's in a fish. This one. Okay, that's this thing. That is it pele pele. You guys, that did they chop that fish?
This is really costly. Very costly fish. I don't know whether you know the next thing where they get something like sand for back. Very costly fish.
It is safe to say that not all fishes are caught from this beach, but most are imported by water from Cameroon and other African countries. Here you can book a boat from Nigeria to Cameroon if you have a passport.
Not like this,
The next stop was Ibaka. This place is widely known for fishing activities. Most fishermen here come from Cameroon, Benin Republic, Congo, Kenya and other African countries. A fishing boat here could have like about 10 to 15 or more fishermen on it, with their flags hanging on each respective boats.
So guys, I will be showing you like the second beach in Ibaka, which is in Akwa Ibom State, where you can get your fish from, and it's also big. So you can also come here on Sundays to buy fish here. So I'm going to lead you through the way.
Fresh or dry fish with other sea products are sold here. You can get fresh fish here every evening whenever most fishermen return from their daily activities. And according to a fisherman, if you're lucky enough, you could make up to 2 million from just catching fish. That's if you have a good day. This market is filled up with people from different African countries.
Now just go down now. Come on, them. Go use water. What's Wetin talk?
Carry us for back, you know, they look forward to it. They say I live here.
I tell you now. I told you. Very soon now when I go to say Igbo people.